going to unbox the metal Airtag wallet from Mint. So here's the box that it comes in. It's just a nice sleek black box, and then we're going to open it up. And so here we've got an elastic band. We've got the wallet itself and a screwdriver. So here's an extra elastic band. On this elastic band, this is where our AirPod goes, and or we can also lift up the elastic and put our cash here. So we can fold our cash, stick it here. It's got the U shape here where we can slide our credit cards in easily. And on this side, it's actually got a clear case so we can slide our photo ID in. So far, what I like about it is its slim design. It's nice and slim, and it's very minimalistic. And so we're not gonna have a lot of bulky things with us. And here is also a spot where we could put a loop through it if we wanted to. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'll be back with a review and let you know how it holds up.